Hello smart mobile fans, happy day to you. Your continued support has kept this channel alive. Thanks for subscribing and clicking on my videos. I appreciate you all. The iPhones have been known to have the fastest and sleekest performance while still using a smaller RAM size with a very powerful processor. This is because Apple fully controls both the software and processor. Samsung, Huawei and most importantly OnePlus did a really good job in providing a fast and smooth Android experience, but they had to use bigger RAM sizes to achieve a close result with the iPhones because they do not have full control over the software and processor. When Google launched the Pixel smartphones, I was happy that we finally have a worthy competitor to the iPhones in terms of fast performance because they fully control the software and use similar RAM sizes with the iPhones. The only setback was that Google did not have control over the processor, but having full control over the software is more important and crucial. Unfortunately, Google failed to deliver the faster performance we were expecting. Even the tech legend MKBHD prefers using OnePlus, except for the camera.
It's the performance that keeps pushing me away from the Pixel, and then the camera that keeps pushing me back. I'm thinking maybe 4 gigs of RAM actually really isn't enough.
It seems Google finally listened to the Pixel users because the Pixel 4 and 4 XL have been upgraded to 8GB RAM sizes, according to the Geekbench 4 and 5 results. This is both a good news and bad news for the Android world. The good news is that Pixel 4 should have a faster and smoother performance. But the bad news is that if Google could not use a smaller RAM to achieve a fast and smooth performance like the iPhone does, while having full control over the software, then it means the Android world still has a long way to go, because lower RAM size equals lower price. Apple has further improved their RAM optimization because the iPhone 11 manages a 4GB RAM even with the more powerful A13 Bionic processor. The Pixel 4 comes with a Snapdragon 855 processor, which is still not as good as the 1-year-old A12 Bionic chip, according to the Geekbench scores. So iPhone comfortably maintains a 1-year lead in performance. The Geekbench result also shows that the Pixel 4 might have a 4GB RAM variant for the mid-range market. Probably this might be the Pixel 4a. And also according to Geekbench, it might have the same Snapdragon 855 processor to compete with the likes of Pocophone and OnePlus smartphones. Google still has a chance to beat Apple if they start making their own processors. Let us wait and see how the Pixel 4 performance will be with the upgraded 8GB RAM size. Let me know your opinions about my observations. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe if you have not. Talk to you in my next video. Remain humble. Bye.